89 is bigger than 37. So what is the required to do, but what we did on Friday was, you are supposed to borrow one from this particular file, and will remain with 4. Now you ask yourself, I've borrowed 1 deciliter. I've borrowed 1 deciliter. 1 deciliter, I want to convert it into milliliters. So 1 deciliter is the same as 100 milliliters. So the one you borrowed is 100. 100 plus this already available, 37, it becomes 137 milliliters. Now you are able to subtract 39 from 137 because 89 is smaller than 137. So let's now subtract the normal borrowing and subtraction. 9 you can subtract from 7, so you'll borrow 1 from here, from 3, and remain with a 2, and make 7 to be 17. So that 17 less 9, you get the 8. 12 less 8. 12 minus 8 will give you a 4. So you have now put 8 milliliters. Now you come to deciliters and you have 4 deciliters. You're supposed to subtract 7 deciliters. Now 7 is bigger than 4. So you'll have to borrow from the liters. Now borrow 1 from this 162. I'll remain with 161 liters. I have borrowed 1 liter. Now check the liter into the stick. 1 liter is equivalent to 10. 1 liter is equivalent to 10. So if 1 liter is the same as 10 deciliters, I have borrowed only 1, so which is 10 deciliters, plus this 4. 4 plus 10 becomes 14. So 14 less 7, I remain with 7. Finally, 11, borrow 1 from there to make it 5. So 11 minus 6, 5. And then 5 minus 4 is 1, and that 1 is still there. So that's how we were landing on 115 liters, 7 deciliters, and 48 milliliters. So it is here. It is in our brains where we need to remember. And I've now reminded you severally, so I'm sure now you have mastered this, and then you just come to the skill of borrowing. Finally, we look at this one, where you're supposed to subtract 9 from 1. Not very possible. So if you cannot subtract that, then I'll be forced to borrow 1 from 132 liters. So borrow 1 will remain 131. Remember, the blue one is the ink work, and the black one is the pencil work. You have borrowed 1 liter into milliliters. 1 liter, changing it to milliliters, you multiply by 1,000. So it's equivalent, like if you borrowed 1. When you add the already amount of 1 milliliter, you get a total of 1,001. So it is that 1,001 that you put at the top, because you have now borrowed this, you have already used the 1 available milliliter. Then no more subtraction, borrow 1 from there remains 9, that becomes 9, and that is 11. So that 11 less 9 is 2, and the 9 remains milliliters. And here, 11 is 5, and then 12 minus 3 is 9. So you have now that. What have I done here? I'm still reminding you how to subtract 1,000 minus 9, or how we are subtracting 100 minus 1. What were we doing? We don't need to forget. How are we doing it? we were borrowing from this side. You borrow 1 means 9, 9, and the last one becomes 10. So the 10 less 9, you get 1. This 9 is there, this 9 is there. That's what I've done here. Likewise here, we're borrowing from there, remains 9. 10 minus 1 makes 9 and 9. So that 99 plus 1, you get your 100. 991 plus 9, you get the 1000. So likewise, that's what I've done. So enough of that, and I'm sure you still remember how we were doing it. Now we can handle the rest, or we can move to today's lesson. We have already done our addition and subtraction of this unit of capacity. Today, I want us to do some multiplication of the same unit, and I'm still looking at liters and milliliters. Let's say, for example, you have 23 liters and 500 milliliters. And you're supposed to multiply this by 9. You're supposed to multiply by 9. Very simple. 29, 9 times 0 is 0, 0, and 45. Leave it at that. 27, carry 2, 18 plus the 2, 20. Now, after you have reached this level, you come back to your brain work again. Changing milliliters into liters, milliliters into liters. Divide by 1,000. So divide by 1,000. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So what it means here is 500 milliliters. And whoever has been locked out is 4. Move him to that level. Add to the 7. 4 plus 7 is 11 and 2. So you have 211 liters, 500 milliliters. Observe it again carefully. Check it carefully. And then again, just to remind you, just to help you master it, liters and milliliters. I have 23 liters, or 200, let's use that. Let's use 26 liters, and milliliters, I'll use 243. 243. And we're supposed to multiply everything by 6. Let's multiply everything by 6. Take the steps. Tables of 6. 6 times 1 times 2 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. You're carrying 1. 24 plus the 1 you carried, 25. You're carrying 2. 12 plus the 2 you carried, 14. Leave it at that. Don't carry anything for now. 6 times 6 is 36. I'm carrying 3. 6 times 2, 12, plus the 3, 15. Milliliters into liters, divide by 1,000. Push it now. Push it now, divide by 1,000. The decimal point moves 3 times. Here, let's move it. 1, 2, 3. Who has been locked out? 1. Push him and add to the 6. This 1 plus this 6 is 7, 5, and 1. These are liters. What remained is 458. These are milliliters. These are milliliters. I take the final one again. Liters and milliliters. Ya mwisho kabisa. let's say 38 liters, and then 333 milliliters. Multiply everything by 10. Very simple one. 333 times 10. 333 times 10 is 330. 38 times 10 is 308. Make the moves. Divide by 1,000. 29, 1, 2, 3, and you're out. Push him to there. Add. Simple way. If I add to that, I'll get a 3, and 8 and a 3. These are liters. What's made is 330 milliliters. Friends, that's how easy work is. That's how easy that one is. Kazi ni rahisi namna hiyo. Now, supposing we plant deciliters just like in addition and subtraction. Supposing we put deciliters in the middle there, let's try and see what will happen. Liters, deciliters, and milliliters. So let's have the liters, we have the deciliters, and the milliliters. Let's take a simple example. We have 4 liters, 6 deciliters, and 28 milliliters. Everything to be multiplied by 4. Multiplied by 4. Work with us. Tutembee pamoja tafadhali. Sisi ni wa nyumba moja, twende. 4 times 8, 32. I'm carrying 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3, 9, 10, 11. Give it a dot. 4 times 6, hiyo ni kawaida, 24 and 16. Now, changing milliliters into deciliters. Milliliters into deciliters. Milliliters into deciliters by 100. By 100. Divide by 100. 29. Here we are. Observe. 1, 2. Bebanani, that one. Add to him. What am I getting there? 5. 2. Nana alibaki pale? 12 milliliters. Deciliters into liters. Deciliters into liters, because I want to change this into liters. This 25 deciliters into liters. Divide by 10. 29, 1. Then back 2. Move him up there. What do you have? We're adding 6 to get what? 8 and 1. So you have 8 liters, 5 deciliters, and 12 milliliters. Friends, easy work. Very easy. Just moving with it. Just moving with it. Just moving with it. Let's take another example again. Maths is just interesting. Learning maths is fun. It's just having fun with digits, playing around with them. Let's take another example here. Let's have liters, deciliters, and milliliters. Which units shall we use now? Let me use the huge one. 178 liters. I use 8 deciliters, and the milliliters, let me use around 19 milliliters. And everything we multiply by 12. Let's multiply by 12. Haya, kazi rahisi namna hiyo. Observe carefully now. I will clear with this one, this multiplication alone. Let's do this multiplication. That is 18, carry 1, 2 is 3. 9 and 1. 8, 12, and 2. That is milliliter. Yeah, here. Bring that 12 here. 12, it's a 96. No problem. Bring that 12 here again. That is 16. 14 is 15. 2 is 3. and then 8, 7, and 1. We are adding 6, 13, 10 is 11, and 2. This, that, and that. Now let's do our conversion. Milliliters into deciliters. Back to the brains, milliliters into deciliters, over 100. Over 100. All right, move it. Over 100, that is 1, 2. And carry the 2 to 6 to give us 8 and 9. So I've remained with what? 28 milliliters. Here, 96 deciliters. Changing deciliters into liters. Deciliters into liters. Divide by 10. Friends, let's move it. 1. Carry the 9. Add that. Addition. 9 plus 6, 15. Carrying 1, 4, 1, 2. So finally, 2,145 liters, 8 deciliters, and 28 milliliters. Did you enjoy it too much? It's a sweet Monday. It's a sweet Monday. So check the way I played around with it. 19 times 12, you get the raw information. 228. 12 times 8, 96. 12 times 178, 2136. Conversion. Milliliters into deciliters over 100. Push it 1, 2. Hata hiyo decimal haionekani, unasumbusha. Push it there. 2 plus 6, 8, 9. Changing deciliters into liters, divide by 10. Push it only 1. It doesn't stay there. Circle the 9. Push it there. A plus. 15, 4, 1, and 2. Finally, you get your answer. Very simple. Very simple. Very, 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 very simple. Very easy that way. Tunafanya kazi namna hiyo tu kwa urahisi. Now let's try another one now. Viewers, now that you are there. Mami naye atakuuliza now. Let's just work on this one. Let's use 9 deciliters. I use 141, and this one I use here. Let's change it to 30, and let me use 9. Somebody try that. Jaribu hiyo na wewe. Jaribu hiyo na wewe, mbio mbio tafadhali. The sign is a multiplication. Bio, bio. Kinyanje Sandra.
1,277 liters, 3 deciliters, and 70 milliliters.
Somebody else with a different answer? Valerie?
I have the same answers as hers.
Thank you. Let's see how to go about it. People are enjoying this. Let's see. 0 times 9 is a 0. and you get 27. Leave it at that, you get 81. Leave it at that, you get 9. 36 carrying 3, 12. I'll take it again. 9 times 0, 0, 27. 81. 9, 36. I'm carrying 3, 12. Then conversion. Milliliters into deciliters. Milliliters into deciliters. Amebeba divide by 10. Push it. 1, 2. As if you're writing the decimal, beba to the next one. Addition. 2 plus 1 is still a 3. 8. What remained there? 70 milliliters. Very good. Changing deciliters into liters. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. Let's push it. 1. As if you're writing a decimal. By to the next one there. What's that? 9 plus 8. 17. Carry 1. 7. 3. 2. That is 2 and 1. So 1,277 liters, 3 deciliters, and 70 milliliters. Good one. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. People are there. People are there. The last one on that area. Let's try another one again. The final one. After we got it right. Let's see. Now, purpose to be the one to get it right now. I'm changing some units here and there. Here, deciliters nimeweka 8. Milliliters nitaweka 532. What are we multiplying it by? A simple 11. Peleka mbio. You want to do something else? Whitney, give us the answer.
I've not yet finished.
Tracy, tell me.
801 liters, 3 deciliters, 800 500. Oh, I've missed something.
Yeah, do it again. Do it well. Sandra.
793 liters, 46 deciliters, 52 milliliters.
Somebody else? Somebody with a different answer, Valerie?
806 liters, 6 deciliters, 52 milliliters.
Let's see. That's the last one we are doing today for that particular area. Simple multiplication. Line number 1, it's a 2, a 3, a 5. Line number 2, 2, 3, 5. So straight away you say 2, 5, 8, and 5. You remember the tricks? 2 at the end, 5 at the end, add the first two. 2 and 5, 8. Remember how we were enjoying multiplication of 11? 5 at the end, 2 at the end. 5 at the end, 2 at the end. The first position, this and that one, 5. Second position, this and that one, 8. Your answer is already there. Here you got 8, 8. And here you say, try the trick again. 2 and 7, 9. Remember that? Very good. So if you still remember that, now let's go on 1. Milliliters into deciliters. Milliliters into deciliters. Milliliters over 100. So push it. 1, 2. Paper 58. 58 plus 8. 58 add 8. What do you get? 16. Carry 1. 5 is 6. So you're carrying this to get the answer here and then carry forward. And you finish the work. As simple as that. So we're just doing the same work that we add and subtract and all that. Now, let's move on to the another section. You have multiplied, you have added. Now I want us to divide. And we're supposed to carry something, carry forward, dividing. So let's have the liters and milliliters. Let's say we have 5 liters and 300 milliliters. Share all this among 5 people. Divide by 5. Divide by 5 as usual. 5 goes there only once because of 5. Nothing remains, so 1 liter. 5 goes there 6 because of 30. Drop the 0 and your 0 is there. So simple. 1 liter, 6 milliliters. It's that simple. Now, let's try another one where we are supposed to carry, let's say, 354. 354. These are liters. Tuongeze deciliters katikati, 8 deciliters. Milliliters tuweke 70. 70 milliliters. Share all this. Divide all this by 9. Observe carefully. 9 goes into 35. 9 into 35. How many times? Only 3 times. 3 times 9, 27. Subtract. And be careful. 15 minus 7 is 8. What are you dropping? 4. 84 divided by 9. Only 9 times. 9 times 9, 81. What am I subtracting to get is a 3. Change these liters into deciliters. Liters into deciliters times 10 to become 30. So the liters are gone. 30 plus the 8, 38 deciliters. 9 into 38, 4 times because of 36. Subtract and get 2. 2 deciliters. Change them into milliliters. Deciliters into milliliters times 100. So you get your 200. And plus the 70 available, 270. So what do you have? 9 into 27, 3 because of 27. Drop the 0 and your 30 milliliters down. So carrying forward, changing. Carry forward, conversion. That's the trick. That's the trick. Let's attempt another one again. Let's attempt another one again. Under the same, let's attempt the next one on division. Let's attempt another one on division. I'll have 19 liters. Let's have 19 liters. Deciliters, I have 5 deciliters. And milliliters, we have 35. 35 milliliters. Divide all this by 5 people. Divide by 5. Try that. Anybody else finished? Wengine tumeachia wawili watatu. Especially the boys, where are we? Flavio, uliweka kamera na ukaenda zako. You are not in class. And we know those tricks. You left your camera on and disappeared. You are not in class. Flavio, sio sisi unaenjoy, ni wewe unajienjoy. Somebody to tell him that we know the tricks and we have gone beyond that age. Charlene, say again.
2 liters, 19 deciliters, 7 millimeters.
Milliliters. Anybody else with a different answer, Valerie?
3 liters, 7 deciliters, 7 milliliters.
All right, let's share together this. 19 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. When I subtract, I'll get 4. This 4 change it into deciliter. Times 10 to get 40. So I have now 45 deciliter. So the liters are 3, 45. 5 goes into 45 only 9 times because of 45. Nothing remaining. 5 goes into 35 7 times because of 35. Subtract, nothing remains. So we have 3 liters, 9 deciliters, and 7 milliliters. Finally, for today, because time is up, let's look at that again. Liters, I have 33 liters. I have 9 deciliters, and we have 555 milliliters. Let's share all this among 5 people. Bio, 1 minute, because I've got only 2 minutes remaining. Turn Bio before the lesson ends. My boys, say something. Sandra,
6 liters, 7 deciliters, and 91 milliliters.
Anybody else with a different answer? All right, let's work together. 33 divided by 5 is 6 because of 30. When I subtract, I remain with 3 liters. This is similar to 30 deciliters. Add the 9, you get 39 deciliters. So liters, we are done. 5 into 39. 5 into 39, 7, because of 35. Subtract and get 4. 4 deciliters. Change it. Change deciliters into milliliters times 100. So I have 400. When I add that, I get 5, 5, and 9. 5 goes into 9 only once because of 5. Subtract and get 4. Drop the 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times because of 45. Drop the remaining 5 only once because of 5. So we are done. 6 liters, 7 deciliters, and 191 milliliters. Friends, the lesson is over. The lesson is over. We have run short time. So that's how easy work is. Please enjoy yourself. Continue practicing more and more because you can create your own questions and divide. Check on the divisibility test when you're doing so, when you're setting that particular question. For now, bye. Let's meet tomorrow.